What is common between TDP leader C.R. Naidu, Laljan Basha and now YSRCP leader Shobha Nagireddy? The common link is that all three of them lost their lives in road accidents. Yes, it is misfortune, but could their deaths have been avoided? All three of them were travelling in speeding cars when those cars hit dividers, lost control and resulted in terrible accidents and the leaders losing their lives. These accidents have also resulted in injuring the people who were travelling with them. Maybe these mishaps could have been avoided if the cars were not speeding, but being driven carefully and under the speed limit. Maybe if these leaders took all the precautions of travelling in cars, especially seat belts, would they have been alive? Maybe yes. If they would have made sure to control their drivers and also see to it that the cars have airbags, would they have survived? Had few easy and safety measures been followed, the country would not have lost so many precious leaders over the years to these accidents. And it's just not about the leaders. Are we taking these safety measures to make sure we and our loved ones are coming home safe each day? Maybe we all need to be reminded once again that airbag never saves a life unless a seat belt is worn. On impact, the sensors would automatically pre-tension the seat belt and the airbags are automatically opened. Both work integrated on impact and only then the safety system works. Don't forget to wear your seat belts even when sitting in the rear seat during highway journeys. Let's be safe and let's be careful. Make use of NOTA, which means none of the above. A path-breaking step taken by Election Commission of India to empower the voter.